all of you. I am Katleya Palma, the President of NBBS Kaunlaran Consumer Cooperative organization built by us, the residents of NBBS Kaunlaran, for our community right here in Navota City. This cooperative was born from our shared dream to make daily living more affordable and strengthen our unity as one barangay. Our cooperative logo, hence joining around a basket, is a symbol of what we stand for: unity, hard work, and shared progress. It's established on June 10, 2025. The NBBS Kaunlaran Consumer Cooperative represents our belief of prosperity grows when the community works hand in hand. Our mission is to provide quality and affordable products to every family in our barangay while helping our local economy grow. Our vision is a vibrant and thriving community where everyone has a fair chance to succeed through the power of cooperation. To achieve this, we aim to establish a cooperative store with low price basic goods, offer member discount and benefits, support local entrepreneurs, and also launch livelihood programs that will uplift our barangay. Our services and community benefits is through our cooperative. Member can buy rice, canned goods, and household needs at lower prices. Members also receive dividends of patronage refunds at the end of the year, a reward for their participants. And most importantly, we offer training and livelihood programs that help our members grow and earn more for their families. This is not just a store, it's a bridge to collective progress. Every time you buy from our cooperative, you're not just helping yourself, you're helping neighbors, friends, and the entire community. Here the closing or call to action. NBBS Kaunlaran Consumer Cooperative is more than a business, it's a movement of unity, care, and improvement. I invite every resident to join us, be a member, be a partner, be part of our collective success. Together, let's build a just, vibrant, and prosperous community. And I am Katleya Palma, your cooperative president. And also, let's go in NBBS Kaunlaran because in the cooperative, we are the protagonists.